Hello everyone, this is Joan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Jura and an 8 with us in the shop. And it came in for the main reason being that it just needed a general tune-up. Usually these Juras, due to the gasket wear, and if you're using it daily, how often you're using it, you will see probably around the 2 to 3 mark that you would start getting some sort of coffee buildup inside your machine, and or just a lot of excess water or coffee spilling out inside of the machine. You won't really see it on the outside, but more so inside. This usually happens around 2 to 3 years of just general use of the machine, which is totally normal. And so they had dropped it off with us. When I opened up the chamber, looked inside, definitely just needed to tune up a general maintenance. This is where we replaced the main gaskets on the brew unit, also just deep cleaning it and lubricating the moving parts. Deep cleaned the inside of the chamber, brew chamber, removing the walls just to clean it all out. Doing a lot of descaling cycles and cleaning cycles, and after that we have a nice working machine. So we're just gonna quickly turn it on. We're gonna let it boot up, let it heat up. I do have a second machine on the right that's warming up too, and so don't worry about that. You definitely do need a new Jura filter. I do recommend replacing yours, just because the machine's is detecting that it's ran through already. So we're gonna let it heat up. And then we're just gonna brew one simple shot on it just for today to test the machine. Alrighty, so we're gonna just quickly scroll through to get the normal one shot espresso. We're gonna put the shallow down. It's gonna grind, it's gonna get into tamping position and then start to tamp itself. Oh, we ran out of beans, so make this one. Just quickly gonna add some to the top. We're just gonna make a single espresso here. And there's our shot for you. And while we're here, we can test, I believe, the hot waters. On this machine, so we're just gonna quickly move this here. Go to the left, hot water. Should come out of the right side. And since we don't have the milk tube, we can't test the milk. But besides that, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.